Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? I'm coming with you with another great, wonderful price built list. This one here is basically a basic use PC. Um, just for entertainment use, household use. You can use it for if you're a photographer, you can do photography, Adobe Photoshop, rendering, etc., etc. It is on the AM10 9700E Bristol processor at 3 gigahertz, 4 cores, 4 threads. With this here, you could be using the onboard graphics, which is by the motherboard Asus Prime 3020MK motherboard with 32 gigabyte of RAM. Just keep in mind that the RAM is maxed out to its full compatibility, which is 32 gigabytes. So you don't have to worry about upgrading the RAM. But if you want to make changes down the line, you can go ahead on and update your BIOS, which that will be taken care of. And you can go ahead on and make changes to the Ryzen Series 1, 2, and 3 processors that is out today. So let's get right on into this build list here. It's a wonderful, great build list. Like I said, this build list can be used for entertainment needs such as streaming, listening to your Spotify. You can go ahead and use it as a PC for college. If you need a PC for high school work, do your reports and stuff, etc., you can do that as well too with this PC. So let's go ahead on and get right into the build list I got here. It's a great one. I already started off with the Cougar MX 331 Mesh Black, coming in at $38.99. The Asus Prime A320MK motherboard, which is $59.99. Coming in with the power supply is the EVGA 600BA 100BA 0600 K1 600 watts, $49.99, and that will be put with the Team Group NVME MP33 M.2 2280 512 gigabytes at $52.99. That will be teamed with the internal SSD by Team Group EX2 512 gigabyte at $46.99. I am teaming that up with the Thermaltake TT eSport Commander gaming keyboard and mouse combo for $35.99. And it is with the memory, as I talked about, the TimeTec Extreme Performance Hynix 32 gigabyte kit, dual kit, 2 gigabyte sticks. 2 sticks coming in at 16 gigabytes DDR4 at 3200 megahertz speed at $102.99. With the processor, you'll be using the onboard Radeon R7 processor onboard graphics. The A10 9700E Bristol Ridge quad core 3.0 gigahertz at $76, and teaming up with the nice aesthetics, give you that good bling look with the ARGB by AsiaHorse WD-001 120 millimeter 5 volts addressable RGB motherboard, 12 addressable LED 9-blade hydraulic bearing. This is a 5-pack coming in at $39.99. The total of this build here is $514.78, keeping it well under the $520 budget build list. All parts are coming from Newegg.com. You cannot go wrong with this build list. This is a great build. This build is only for college, schoolwork, editing, Photoshop, entertainment, streaming, etc. Now, if you want to get into some big boy stuff with this board here, you can add a graphic card to it. The memory is already maxed out to 32 gigabyte at 3200 speed. And you can go ahead on and increase the processor to the Ryzen 5 3600 or the Ryzen 7 3700X or the Ryzen 9. Whatever processor you are comfortable with, any 6-core 12 threads, 8 core, 16 thread processor. You can make upgrades down the line with it. But right now, they're just the basic aesthetics. And this is a great build coming at $514.78. If y'all like this build, go ahead and buy it. Treat yourself decently. Enjoy. Go ahead on and relax while you got your little parties. Put your Spotify on. Do your or you can just sit back and watch Netflix or Hulu or whatever you like. Alrighty, to my subscribers, y'all go ahead on and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I love y'all. Happy holidays. Peace.